That was.
Okay.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
We need more cats.
It's okay. These two are
good enough. That's the show.
going at it.
Are you getting this? This is too funny. Hey guys, goofballs. These are feral cats, everybody. Feral cats. He's gonna attack them. He says, "I got takedown." They're like little martial artists at heart. Ah! I got you. They attack. It's a mouse thing, right? Let me pretend I'm the mouse. No, you're the mouse. I'm the mouse. No, you're the mouse. Okay.
They're pretending they're hunters.
That's a takedown, eh? Smack the prey, take it down, and then eat it. I'm practicing eating you. So these are two of the little feral kittens. This is my commentary. He sat up like a dog. Did you see that? Hey, bunny.
Those other three are going crazy too.
It's playtime. It's wild, eh?
Where'd you get the straw?
Thank God I do cat shelter building because I have the key to the cage at the Humane Society. This is on tape. I just took it. They face off, eh?
Yeah.
It's like, it's the face off, and then it's like, okay.
Ears laid back.